a secret hidden for years, a powerful man at the center of global controversy, and one bold move that could change everything. Donald Trump has just ordered the unsealing of the Epstein grand jury documents. What happens now could shock the world. This is not just news, it's a full-blown scandal. Jeffrey Epstein was a wealthy financier and convicted sex offender, known not just for his money, but for his dark secrets. For years, he ran a vast network that allegedly trafficked underage girls to powerful elites, politicians, royals, and celebrities. Epstein owned a private island, luxurious homes, and had deep connections in the highest circles of power. In 2019, after being arrested on federal charges, he was found dead in his jail cell. Officially ruled a suicide, but many believe it was something far more sinister. In the American justice system, a grand jury is a legal body that investigates whether there's enough evidence to bring criminal charges. In Epstein's case, the grand jury reviewed testimonies, secret documents, and names of individuals possibly involved. For years, these files were sealed, hidden from the public to protect reputations and ongoing investigations. But that secrecy also protected the powerful, until now. In a stunning move, former President Donald Trump has now called for those grand jury documents to be unsealed. He stated, "This has become a full-blown scandal. The American people deserve to know the truth." Trump's decision has sparked intense debate. Is this a bold step towards justice, or a calculated political move to target opponents and reshape his public image? Especially since Trump himself had past ties to Epstein, this raises even more questions. If these documents are made public, we could see a flood of shocking revelations. Names of world leaders, billionaires, and influencers may be exposed. Victims might finally get justice, while accused individuals could face legal consequences. The contents may also reveal how deep the corruption went, and how many people helped Epstein stay protected for so long. This is not just about Epstein. It's about a system that allowed him to thrive. The media is on fire. Some are calling this Trump's boldest move yet. Others say it's a distraction tactic ahead of the elections. Social media platforms are exploding with hashtags like Epstein Files and Epstein Unseal the Truth. Survivors and justice activists are demanding immediate action. Meanwhile, powerful figures around the world are staying eerily silent. Why? What are they afraid of? The unsealing of the Epstein grand jury files could mark the beginning of a massive global reckoning. Lawsuits may follow. Trials could begin. Trust in institutions may collapse. If the files do include names of public figures still in power, there could be resignations, arrests, and worldwide protests. Or, in the worst-case scenario, will the truth be buried again? The world is watching closely. In a world where secrets are currency, the truth is a revolution. Trump's order to unseal the Epstein files has pushed us to a tipping point. Will we finally see justice? Or will this become another buried scandal, protected by the rich and powerful? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear. The world will never look at power and privilege the same way again.